Can you tell me what is the difference between by myself and on my own? Yes, they might seem similar, but they are not. When I say by myself, I am kind of complaining. For example, if I say I did the work all by myself, meaning I am complaining that I had to do the work alone. And also, therefore, it is hinting at loneliness. For example, I'm all by myself, meaning I'm lonely. On the other hand, when I say on my own, I am still alone and doing the work alone, but I take pride in that. I'm happy to do that. For example, I cooked the entire dinner on my own. Basically, I'm boasting about myself. I hope you have understood the difference between by myself and on my own. If yes, then type yes in the comment section below. Until we meet next time, take it easy.